Yeah, the boss said I own the storeroom.
Fix this thing off.
Yeah, so a party. I see them in there with no come and left Shorty. They fuck like commercial, they like
Wagwan, my people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, we're there with a hot one, my people. A very hot one. God is the greatest. So you don't know, we have to give God thanks for life, my people. People on the hear Vybz Kartel a while ago, don't it? Nobody knows, same did I go say that. People we don't know say, I rhyme in my rhyme, so I never gonna say I diss him, this Shorty, or anything like that. That was actually a factual statement, you see me? But anyway, people, Vybz Kartel dropped a video a while ago, and I'm gonna know say, because people see the video with him and him liar, right? The video with him and him liar, the new also him buy. People, if you don't know, at this a video me attack.
See me as up to the time, I have to big up Bailey Mitchell and Company. And this is Jason Mitchell, a very trusted lawyer, if there is such a thing. But I will say this, Bailey Mitchell and Company, #1 in business, real estate. Anything you're doing, contact them. No.
Alright, my people, so that video they may attack. Say you know, say because Vybz Kartel buy one house, my people, and him get a different lawyer for angle the house thing. You know, say people attack and I say like Kartel kick off with Isat and be sitting. I don't even know why. I mean, Isat, we know say him supposed to can do everything, you know, cause him a big liar like that. But people like to separate up them business. You see what I say? We deal with house, we have a liar, we deal with the house, then we have a liar, we deal with if we get in a trouble. You understand? Them now get it. But anyway, my people, Vybz Kartel dropped a video a while ago where he explained and made all of that clear, my people. So I'm gonna drop that video there right now. And my people, World Ding went live a while ago. And I talk about the whole World Dog situation and make you know what happened leading up to what happened with World Dog and all of that, my people. I have the video with Ding Dong. I'm gonna drop it, my people. I'm soon forward back there.
Are you in what?
Am I going to be in it?
Are you in my video? You want to be in my video?
Yeah, I want to be in the video.
You're in it. Hear me, I say.
Hear me, I say.
Top of the morning, Grand Rising Gaza Nation, from me and see them. I posted a picture yesterday with Jason, I'm a lawyer. I see it all over the internet, people are saying me and Isat fall out. Who want to get that from? Why on the stay, sir? Big up Isat and big up Jason. That's it, teamwork. I make the dream work. Done?
Oh.
Yo, the people make the Gaza man go speechless for a second. I never yet see the Gaza man go speechless. Yo, people, why wanna stay so? We don't know if you do it. We don't know if you do it. People can have multiple liars if they want people, and that not means them and them other liars have anything. You have liars who do specific things. You have different liars, people. Yeah, you have Queen Council who do everything in this world, you know. But you have liars who deal with criminal. You have liars who deal with real estate. I saw the thing go, my people. You understand? Alright. My people, alright, yes, I'm going to jump off, you know. I have the live with Ding Dong phone, you know. And Ding Dong I go now. I break down what go on with World Dog before him fly out. And then we don't know what go on after him fly out. Oh, and Ding Dong need no help as well. I go drop the video now, my people. Bless up. Thanks for watching this video, my people. Jamaican Chat. What the below my nose? I'm out.
Do me this in a driver. Best believe, cause remember me for sweet gas pump. Now do me this. Yeah. Yeah, my people. Blessed day, you know, come on. God all of the praises. I want to stop talk about governor favor me, you know. But I look like governor, you know. Governor look like me, you know. Big up governor, my brother. You see me? Yeah, governor, my brethren. Real brother that in a real life. You see me? Yeah. I know there's something go. You know why someone I talk? I just choose somehow, you know. Somehow I never know me when time I hear Kane, you know. I know a world thing, I don't know a ding dong. Somehow I don't know a ding dong, I know a world thing. So that's why I say them things I can't know when time I hear a Kane, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, Judge, I want to say prayers up for my brother. Bro, world dog, you see me? Prayers up for my bro, world dog. Hey, mama, I'm full it for me, Zane. Yeah? Full it for me, 90. Cash, yeah? Cash. You two up, Nina, mama, just press it, man. Yeah. Big vehicle, you know? The roofs, the sunlight, and little thing and something like that. Yeah. So, yeah, enough of them don't know about ding dong, them know worlding, so that's why they don't know in time I can't know here and them thing. Remember me, just like the maddest can't know them and them thing they boy, you know. Remember that, you know. You see me? So, I say, Jaja Star, before I go in any argument, any talking, see? My people, Sean Sam just released him song. The Return. Zane. Ding Dong featured on the song. Zane. You see me? So check it out, go run it up. It's up on him YouTube, it's up on him Vivo. Go load it up right now, you see me? The Return. Sean Sam featuring Ding Dong. See me I deal it? Go check it out now. Zane. And like over there on song we release. I want to talk about some song we for release and things, in. So when I see the video we go viral with me and World Dog Star in our studio. See? Video go viral me and World Dog in our studio, dog, and man just father, I say look how we gonna do. Now 24 hours in, I'ma come so boom and find the song with World Dog Star and thing. People, they try to shoot the video the same night. But me they have to leave the morning. Yeah, mama, tap it up. Yeah, man. Yeah. Zane? They try to shoot the video the same night, my people. You see me? But me they have to leave the morning. You see me, I deal with me, they have to leave the morning. So, shoot the video, shoot the song at night. Do you remember what time of the night we done and post it right away, see me? So, when it comes to boom now and I try lock in everything, plus Ramesh never there on the ground. In the there on the ground, I didn't remember, but we couldn't get for locking everything.
12,690.
12,690? See that? That me I try telling you that's why I can't buy the big vehicle. All this, mama. Keep it change, yeah. I try telling you about big vehicle, you know. 12,690 that I full up the tank here. And the tank did there. Almost halfway the tank did there. You know. And at 12,600 full it. That me I telling you about big vehicle. You see me? Yeah, my people, so when I said the return is out. Sean Sam featuring Ding Dong. Check it out on Sean Sam YouTube. Check it out on him Vivo. They all both. See? They all both. See? Yes, so black to the song now with World Dog, my bro dog. You see me? Just voice the song with the G dog and they try shoot the video the same night though. But we never get everything locked in. So when I cut now, link it dog and The dog say, yo, I want to shoot the video right now. So I say, hey, what do I go on, dog? It don't make no sense to rush the thing and go shoot the video. When you say I go cut, you see me? Because this was what, Thursday night, Friday morning. Say I'm cutting of the week, but Monday I'm cut or whatever, you see me? So I say, here we do. Here we do then, because I go forward Black Monday, so here we do. Extend the ticket a little bit. And I could just remember forward Black. And we shoot the video one time, bro. You see me? Or we not have to rush it. You see me? Because I don't know if you're busy or if you have nothing else to do or anything at all. So here what I got now. I forward in Black Monday. And you say you're scheduled for cut Monday. So if you cut, you can forward Black. Quick and fast, I will shoot the video about Friday. I want them to do the Saturday. And the man said, alright, ding. Anything or anything, my G, I'm ready right now, car. Yeah, man, at my time, ready right now. I said, alright, kid, do what you do. So him say, I go up and forward Black. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm forward Black. I think Thursday, I'm said. Confirm. So go up and get some clothes and something. I must say, boy, then, I'm going to a video with you. If you have on the clothes them in the car, you know you're a boy or you stay with clothes. So I'm saying, I go up back for some clothes and then come down back for the video. That's a blood clot. Dog. Get the call, say. The dog. That reach the dog. And I say, bumbo clot, bro. You see me? You see me, dog? And I say, yo, Jajo. It's a sad situation. You see me? Very sad situation because with everybody were involved in the youth to drop out. And I'm not to know what go on within the thing, you see me? But you don't know. Me as a man, me always have the heart, they understand condolences. Because I know the youth will drop out, but condolences same way to the youth to drop out, you see me? Sorry for your what. World dog, I just pray say dog, pull through fast, you see me? Yeah dog. So till me have all the song, we done have all the song. Release already. Mix the song already, Spider mix the song. I know when Spider mix the song. Remember I hear Spider hear it and call me and say send me the song and now then I'm gonna mix it right now. Because I know this have to go to right now. You see me? And when that go on now, I say blood bad dog. Water go on. You see me? But try pull it black now. Because you don't know dog, you see me? And then now you have some people that DM me. So that's why I'm forward on the live now for ask my people them want to think yo, my DM flood with DM. With the people them I say, yo, I'm for release the song same way, you see me? Release the song for World Dog and make the people them go TikTok with it and dance. Because World Dog entertain them all the while. So I don't know if them entertain World Dog now.